Hello my dears and welcome back to Sabrissimo. I am thrilled to have you here today because in this video I am going to share with you a dessert that holds a special place in my heart and has been a cherished treat in my family for years. Get ready to indulge yourself with a delicious lava cake, also known in French as Moelleux au chocolat. To make this experience even more magical, I've chosen to use high quality Belgian chocolate with 70% cocoa, and trust me, the aroma alone is heavenly. Join me as I melt 160 grams of this decadent chocolate together with 100 grams of butter over a double boiler. Once completely melted, set it aside to cool. Now, let's prepare the baking containers. I've chosen to bake the lava cake in ramekin dishes for efficient heat distribution. After greasing the dishes with butter, I've lined them with a touch of cocoa. A little secret to make our lava cake effortlessly slide out. A gentle tap to remove the excess cocoa, and our baking vessels are prepared and ready to go. Let's move to the egg. For the perfect lava cake texture, we'll need 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. Today, I've got a trusty helper making the egg yolk separation a breeze. Over the eggs, add 100 grams of sugar and mix with a mixer until doubled in volume. Add the vanilla extract, followed by 20 grams of flour, and mix until fully incorporated. Now we can add the melted chocolate cooled at 36 degrees Celsius. Remember, the chocolate needs to be at this temperature to avoid cooking the eggs. As we blend the chocolate in our egg mixture, it's essential to keep things cool. So we add a small part from the chocolate over the melted chocolate and then incorporate the entire chocolate into our egg mixture. And we are ready to assemble. Divide the mixture equally into 4 baking dishes and put them in the preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius equal to 428 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Look how beautiful they start to rise. The lava cake is ready when it rises slightly and the top is set, just like a sponge cake, but the inside will be runny. You will notice small cracks on the surface, like a volcano. Now, the ultimate test. Let's see how beautiful our chocolate lava flows. Personally, I can't resist pairing with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream. How about you? What is your go-to ice cream for this delectable treat? Share your preference in the comment below. Despite its decadent appearance, this dessert is very easy to make, and when you need a dessert that impresses, this is the dessert you need. Thank you for joining me on this sweet journey. If you are craving for more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Sabrissimo and ring the notification bell, and let's keep up creating delicious memory together. Until next time, happy baking!